Good afternoon, Neil here with Friday afternoon videos. All right, S&P chart in front of you here on a daily period SD. Here's what we got. So last we were looking for a bounce. We got a pretty good bounce. Very importantly, I want to say it took out this 5,315 level. I think that's really important. I mean, there were a series of highs there. Finally, on this big volatility day, it took that out on the way up. So here's what I did next. I go from the low to the high of the move there, and I ask this thing when it pulls back, look, you don't have to be perfect, but I mean, sort of hold the half back, about the half back. And it didn't. That would have held about, I don't know, 51.90 or something like that. It looks like it traded in a little lower than that, but in this volatility, I mean, you have to make allowances. It's kind of crazy. So it did okay, right? In holding what I would ask it to do about, after a big move like that. Digest, come in, hold about the half back, and then continue on. So this way I look at it. That's impulse up, retrace for rest, and then continuation. So continuation is what I would like to see next. Targets 56, call it quarter, and 57, let's call it half. And so that's what now next week, you got to remember, is a short week with Friday market close. But I want to see, that's what I want to see. I mean, we got, worked its way down. It was making lower highs with this 53.15. It stopped making lower highs, had a big impulse up, came in for a retrace. Now I want to see the next leg continue up, and I'm going to try and, look, if it goes down, then, I guess it's probably going back to 5,000, but that's not what I'm looking. That would be, well, oh my goodness, look, it's breaking. I guess I have to kind of make some bearish allowances for this. Where's it going? Probably 5,000. But where I'm looking from here would be what I just said: impulse up, retrace, hold, and then make the next leg. Next leg, 56 quarter, and we'll see. Maybe we get lucky and we do a little better, and I would be happy. 57.5, that'd be fantastic. So that's ES futures, not SPX. Do the math on SPX if you want to go the SPX route, but that's ES futures, and that's where I'm at. That's what I'm gonna try and get done next week. Okay, so cross your fingers. Let's see how we do. And until then, good trading. Take care. Hope it helps.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me